If 8 bakers can make 1,000 pieces of pandesal in 2 hours, how many pieces of pandesal can 6 bakers make in 3 hours? So, pwede natin isolve ito in 2 ways. So, ano lang ito, variation. Meron kasi tayong direct formula dito, tapos pwede rin naman natin isolve ng isa-isa. So, unahin na muna natin yung direct formula. Kapag ganitong tatluhan na variation, so meron tayong 8 bakers, yung mga given natin, 8 bakers can make 1,000 pieces of pandesal in 2 hours. Okay, so tatluhan na variation. 8 bakers, 1,000 pieces of pandesal, 2 hours. The question is, how many pieces of pandesal can 6 bakers make in 3 hours? So combined variation ito, ang ginagamit kong formula para sa ganito ay work over men times time. Pagpa-partnerin lang natin. So, laging yung work, mag-isa yung work, magkasama yung men tsaka yung time. Pwedeng mabaligtad yan. Yung men times time sa taas, tapos yung work sa baba. Parehas lang din yon. So, dahil meron tayong dalawang triple dito, yung 8 bakers, 1,000 pandesal in 2 hours, tapos ito namang isa, 6 bakers in 3 hours. So, pagpa-partnerin lang natin yon. So, magiging formula natin. So, lagyan ko lang ng subscript ito. Gawin natin work 1, M1, yung M1 yun yung bakers, M1 times time 1 equal siya sa W2 over M sub 2 T sub 2. Okay? So, yan yung direct formula. So, pwedeng isulat natin dito baker. So, baker yun yung M. Bakers. And then we have pandesal. So, pandesal, ito yung magiging work. Tapos yung time, yung 2 hours. Okay, so hours dito. So, ilagay lang natin sa table. So, yung first natin, first triple natin, 8 bakers can make 1,000 pandesal in 2 hours. Then, yung sumunod naman, how many pieces of pandesal? So, yung pieces of pandesal lang nawawala, lagyan natin ito ng variable, n. Kahit anong variable na gusto nyo. And then, we have 6 bakers. So, lagay natin dito yung 6. And then, hours niya, we have 3 hours. Then, substitute na natin sa formula natin. Okay, so substitute lang natin, W1. Ito yung W, yung pandesal. So, we have 1,000 over 8 times 2. So, kahit magkabaligtad na yan. M sub 1, T sub 1. So, ito yung M sub 1, ito yung T sub 1. So, we have 8 times 2. Equals, so yung pandesal yung hinahanap natin. So, yun yung work, W sub 2. So, we have N over, multiply lang natin itong natira dito. So, we have 6 times 3. Tapos, isolve na lang natin itong N. To solve for n, cross-multiply lang yan. Cross-multiply. Or in short, yung n dito nakahiwalay na eh, no? Huwag na natin i-cross-multiply itong 8 times 2 tsaka yung n. Yung 6 times 3, ilagay na lang natin dito. So, yun na yung magiging n natin. Naka-isolate na tong n. Itong 6 times 3, i-multiply lang natin dito. So, magiging siyang 1,000 times 6 times 3 divided by 8 times 2. And then, mag-cancellation na lang tayo dito. Simplify na lang natin to, i-lowest term natin. Etong 6, pwedeng i-divide dito sa 2. 6 divided by 2. 3 na lang yon. Tapos itong 1,000 divided by 8, eksakto yan. 1,000 divided by 8, that is equal to 125. So, i-multiply na lang natin yung natira. 125 times 3 times 3. So, 125 times 3, so madali ng i-mental, no? 125 times 3, that is equal to 375. Okay? 375. Times another 3 ulit. So, times 3 pa ulit. So, magiging sagot natin, 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 7, 21. Plus 1, we have 22. And then, 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 2, we have 11. So, therefore, the correct answer is letter C, 1,125. Okay, so yan yung unang solution natin gamit ang direct formula. W sub 1 over M sub 1 T sub 1. W is work. M and T are men and time. So yung time natin ay yung hours, yung M natin ay yung bakers, and then yung work natin yung pandesal. Okay? So ito naman yung isang solution, isa-isahin lang natin. So another solution, pwede nating isa-isahin yan pag nalilito kayo sa tatluhan. Sulat muna natin yung 8 bakers. Yung 8 bakers daw, kaya niya make 1,000 pieces of pandesal in 2 hours. Unahin natin yung 2 hours, tapos 1,000. 1,000 pieces of pandesal. So ngayon, isa-isahin natin. kailangan makuha natin yung 1 baker per hour, per 1 hour. So, ito muna, yung 2 hours dito, gawin natin 1 hour. So, magiging siyang 8 bakers is to, kapag ginawa nating 1 hour itong 2 hours, syempre, yung 1,000 na pandesal, madi-divide sa 2. Kasi yung 2 hours ginawa nating 1 hour, so ang tendency nun, itong 1,000 pandesal, magiging 500 na lang siya. 500 pandesal. Ang kayang i-bake nung 8 bakers. Ngayon, gawin naman nating 1 ito, 1 baker is to 1 hour is to, syempre yung 500. 500 pieces kapag 8 bakers. So, ilan ang magagawa nung 1 baker? I-divide lang natin ito. 500 divided by 8. Okay? So, manual lang natin. 500 divided by 8. Parang may decimal ito. 50 divided by 8. That is equal to 6. 6 times 8, 48. Subtract, we have 2. Bring down 0. 20 divided by 8. That is 2. 2 times 8, we have 16. Subtract, we have 4. Add tayo ng isang 0. So, lagay decimal dito. 40 divided by 8 is 5. So, therefore, so hindi eksakto, no? 62.50. 62.5 pieces of pandesal. Yung 1 baker, kaya niyang gumawa ng 62.5 pieces of pandesal in 1 hour. So, ngayon, isolve naman natin yung sa problem na 6 bakers. So, magiging 1, ang isa-solve natin ay yung 6 bakers is to 3 hours is to blank. Okay? So, alam na natin, kapag 1 baker, 1 hour, 62.50. Eh, di ang gagawin natin dito, para makuha natin yung 6 bakers in 3 hours, i-multiply lang natin ito. Yung 6 at 3, i-multiply lang natin dito sa rate ng 1 baker per 1 hour. So, multiply lang natin 62.50, 62.5. Multiply muna natin sa 6. So, times 6. 6 times 5, we have 30. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3, we have 15. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 1, we have 37. And then 1 decimal place, so therefore, 375 na lang siya. Pwedeng tanggalin na itong 0 dito. Okay, tanggalin na natin, 375. Tapos, i-multiply natin sa 3. O, same na ito nung kanina. 375 times 3, so we have 15. 3 times 7, 21. So, we have 22. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2, we have 11. So, same answer, letter C, 1,125. So, alin sa dalawang solution ang mas gusto nyong gamitin? Yung rekta kanina na formula, W sub 1 over M sub 1, T sub 1, or ito, inisa-isa natin. Pag hindi nyo natandaan yung formula, mas okay itong iisa-isahin nyo, kunin nyo dapat yung rate per 1 baker per 1 hour. So, ilan yung mabibake niya na pandesal. Tapos, tsaka nyo na lang i-multiply dito sa 6 bakers and then 3 hours. Okay, so I hope nagustuhan niyo yung explanation ko para sa problem na ito. Kung meron kayong mga question, ay i-comment nyo lang or i-PM nyo ako sa aking messenger, RJ Enseñado. Bye-bye!